Hey guys, it's Josh with Jason Landscape Mowing back with another video. And here we are. We're going to go ahead and get these Arborvitaes out of here. So this will be the last time you see the property looking like this. We're going to get them all out of there. And of course people throw their trash up there, why wouldn't they? So let's get these Arborvitaes out of here. All right guys, 14 minutes from the time I fired up the chainsaw till loading the last piece into this dump trailer. All of them are completely gone down to here. I got a little bit of brush I need to rake up out of there, but for the most part, as you can tell, the Arborvitaes are all gone. Opened everything up in here. The customers can now see getting out of here because they were complaining that it was dangerous. So here we go. Off to the dump. If you guys can like, subscribe, share the channel. Be safe out there. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.